All right, now I'm gonna talk about single labels or the first label. Every single video, a person would put in one of these. I didn't bring the roll thing. I didn't bring my, okay, pay no attention. You put it on the, whatever that thing is called. You put your label and it goes right up. But, so what am I gonna do with this? So I rip it off and then I start with whatever I wanna do. Okay. Well, I want to use that first label. How do you use it? I'm gonna bring this thing because I know people get nervous if you don't do things how you're supposed to do it. Whatever. Here we go. There. Okay. It's in its roll. And I'm gonna shut it off. Then I'm gonna close it, slide it down as much as I can. And there we go. Now I'm gonna turn it on. I think it's off balance. No, how you say it? Uneven. Let's do it again. Takes a minute, but it works. Still uneven. I don't know if you can see it. Depending on what you're printing, it's no big deal. I only print labels. For now. Here we go. I'll turn on the machine. And then it stays right there and you can start with that first label. See? Now it works the same with just that single one. Single label. Let's use it on the short side. Yeah, let's use it on the short side. Now, we already saw that this has a gap. I was putting it flush against this, but let's put that there just so we know where to place it, right there. So you do it like that. This one is more difficult because it's a single sheet. See, it came out. I don't know if you can see it. It's uneven. All right, let's try it again. Let's try with one of these. See if it works. Yeah, you're saying it's too much work just for one label. No, it's one label. Every time, one label. Okay, once you close it, you can't press it down. It's even. you can see the label, but oh well. All right, I'm gonna put a regular label in, then just a regular way. So, well, in this case it's off. I'll turn it on. And I'll press this button. So this is as if I would have put it in when it was on. If I look inside, I can't see the label inside. So in reality, my method works for something simple, but if you need it to be perfectly centered, something that you're gonna design maybe with a frame, it might not work so well. But for something as an address label, it's no problem.